In the few seconds, I will show you to make money from providing making crafts that people need in this video. Of the most simple ideas to crafts to make and sell for profit. Making and selling specialities can be a fun, and worthwhile approach to bring in cash. Giving your making makes that individuals need to purchase. In case you're needing to put your art making ability to best use, of the most simple ideas to crafts to make and sell for profit. 1. Beaded bracelets. Beaded armbands are easy to make. Sets of dots of a different scope of shapes, shadings and sizes are modest to purchase and are slurped up by buyers, everything being equal, hoping to buy crazy and cheap adornments. Two mosaic picture frames. Mosaic picture outlines are normal highlights on any semblance of eBay, other online business destinations and in expressions and artworks stores, and are simple specialties to make for a benefit. Three palette picture frames. Another out-of-control picture outline thought that is amazingly modest, simple and amusing to make, is to make them out of a range. Paint the range outlines in a crazy tone and sell them on the web or at an art market for a clean benefit. 4. Wire-wrapped bead rings. Wire-wrapped bead rings are modest and simple to make and can be made into a scope of astounding styles and plans to interest aficionados of uncycled adornments. Five pottery fruit bowls. Earthenware natural product bowls have become a popular element of current homes and can be made with minimal more than mud, a ceramics wheel, oven and some stoneware, making imagination and flair. Absent a lot of cost, ceramics natural product bowls are an extraordinary art to make and sell for benefit.
Please subscribe, please like, thank you for watching.